Well, I'm a big fan of Northern Crops Institute. They are one of our members, and Mark Jierk and I were talking recently about new products and new opportunities for farmers here in the Midwest region, and he told me about this event, so decided to come on out here and learn more about ancient grains. I think probably the most interesting thing is just for a lot of us to see that ancient grains, can be ground up or milled, and they're essentially, just like what we would be used to, flour. I think you see more texture and color in the ancient grains. We're kind of maybe used to the white flour, and this is a more dense and a flour that sort of sticks together more than a traditional wheat flour, which can be very airborne. And it's the same process, a little sugar, a little salt, some yeast, some fermentation time and water, and then baking, and we're all looking forward to eating the product. We had a group kitchen experience baking one pan of focaccia with 4 other people, and that's been fun. But I think so far too, it's the interaction among the presenters and the audience, and the many questions that we have, and the great answers they're giving us. I think that one of the most interesting things is just the dietetic difference between whole grains and some of the traditional, more processed grains, and how much better it is for folks to eat whole grains, and then also the opportunities for farmers to find slightly different markets in the whole grains, ancient grains market.